Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are tuning in from. Well, today, it's morning here guys. I just want to show you where I am at the moment. It is a lovely view, that's why I want to share it with you guys. So happy Saturday, and for all those who are watching me right now, thank you for your support, and for those who are watching the replay as well, kindly comment below where you are tuning in from guys. So I'm here in Killiney Hill guys. So look at that. So we are in a hill. So as you can see, I am together with these two ladies here and with my husband. That's Dina and Sanli. And pinapasya lang po namin sila after few months of not going out. Lagi pong busy sila sa work. So ayan po. Ayan. Ayan o. Nasa taas kami kaya ang ganda ng view. Pati yung view ng mga mountains. And lalo na yung ano na yon, yung sea. Ang ganda ng view niya. Ayan. Tapos dito po tayo pupunta. Punta tayo dito. Ayan po. So, ang sarap po ng hangin dito sa taas. Yan, dyan po yung aking husband. Yan. Say hi!
Sure?
Ayan po. Ayan, ganda ng view dito. Kita nyo? Yan o. Yan. Yan po. Bikot na. So, I'm just grateful guys kasi I can go anytime I want or anywhere, kahit Saturday, kasi po nung unang dumating ako dito, nag-work ako sa retail and hospitality industries, I cannot enjoy my day off kasi unang-una my day off is not weekend. That's why I'm really grateful to have found this online business that gives me the flexibility of time, that I can bring my business wherever I go, and freedom to spend time with my family and friends guys. So how's your Saturday? I hope you are all doing well and safe guys, and I hope you are enjoying your day guys. So dun lang po, I just want to share you the view of this beautiful surroundings. Bye guys, have a lovely day ahead and God bless you all. Bye.